Hello everyone and welcome back to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your PIN code on the Liquidus Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Liquidus Wallet application on your device. And after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the wallet page where you can find all of your existing funds. Now, if you wish to change the PIN code, just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. And now if you scroll a little bit down, you will see the change PIN code option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will first be asked to enter your PIN code that you are currently using. Just type in your current PIN code, and now you will be allowed to enter your desired new PIN code right away. Go ahead and enter your new PIN code, and you will need to type it in once again for confirmation. After typing in your new PIN code twice, your PIN code has now successfully been changed. Now from this point on, every time you open up the Liquidus Wallet app, you will be asked to enter your PIN code, in which you can enter your new PIN code that you have just entered to log into your account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account PIN code on the Liquidus Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.